Hi, my name is Alicia, and in this video, we will be reviewing Gemini's Intensive Verbal Expression Pro tool. Available to professionals only, this tool allows you to incorporate targeted sounds and words into your video sessions to escalate gains in your students' expressive speech. Let's get started. To use Gemini's Intensive Verbal Expression Pro, select Tools from the menu at the top of the screen. Select Video Builders, then Intensive Verbal Expression Pro. On the left are the filters to specify a search. The first section, Clip Type, shows you the types of clips we have in the Intensive Verbal Expression Pro. We have isolated sounds, words, phrases, sentences, and tongue twisters. Let's take a closer look at each of these. In isolated sounds, all phonemes or sounds are presented in isolation. You'll notice that we have fluoroscopy X-ray clips in this format. These are great for students to actually see how their mouth, tongue, and jaw work to form each sound. Next is words. By clicking words, you'll find all the words that we have available for use. You can scroll through the entire list, use the filters on the left to narrow the search, or even type a letter or word in the search bar. In the close-up of all of our word clips, we start with a mid-shot, then build the word sound by sound, ending the clip with a repeat mid-shot so students hear the correct pronunciation of the full word again.
Bad. Bad.
In phrase clips, there are a few examples of a particular sound in each.
April 8th. April 8th. April 8th.
In sentences, there are many examples of the same sound presented in a complete and often complex sentence structure.
Can mermaids read underwater? Can mermaids read underwater? Can mermaids read underwater?
Last but not least is the tongue twister section. Here, clips have 4 or more examples of a particular sound and are paired with a fun animation. These clips are great to keep your student motivated while still teaching the sounds you're focusing on.
Groovy goalie Gabby guards the goal. Groovy goalie Gabby guards the goal. Groovy goalie Gabby guards the goal.
The second section in the filter is labeled Sounds. This is where you can use the tool to work on very specific sounds for your student. All sounds and their phonetic symbols are found here in 4 categories: consonants, vowels, vocalic sounds, and consonant blends. The next section in the filter is Phoneme Structure. This can help you sort words into specific structures for your targeted practice. You can focus on any 6 of our consonant-vowel structures. Please note, phoneme structures only apply to consonant and vowel words. The last 2 sections are the categories and My Clips. This is where you can add humor videos to help keep your student motivated, or add custom clips that you've recorded yourself into your session. Now, let's take a closer look at how quick and efficient it is to use the Intensive Verbal Expression Pro. In building a session for your student, start by choosing a particular sound that you'd like to focus on. For this example, let's work on the B sound, B. When you click B, you will see every option available on the right. To filter these results, you must start by selecting an option from the Clip Type menu. Let's start with isolated sounds and the B from consonants. To add this clip to my sessions, I simply hit the Add button. Next, I'm going to add some B words. There are many ways to use the word feature to target what specific words are displayed. We are working on the B sound, so let's go into consonants and select B. You'll see that you have a choice of initial, medial, and final. Select one and you'll see the list becomes more specific to that target. You can also select more than one option, for example, initial and final, or initial and medial. You'll see that to undo a section, simply click on it again. I'm going to select initial. Now, let's go to the phoneme structure. I want to add a few CV and CVC words to my session, so I'll start with CV. You'll see that the list shows only clips that meet the criteria I've selected. Let's add a few words to the session. In moving to CVC, I want to add words that have B as the initial sound and short A as the medial sound. To do this, I'll click on the vowels section and select short A, then medial. Now the list only shows clips that have B initial, short A medial, and are in a CVC format. I'll add a word here and then start a new vowel search. Remember, to undo a selection, simply click on it again. You can also go to the gold bar at the top, which displays your current selections, and clear the filter you want to remove by hitting X. Now, I want to add a word that has long E in the medial position. The other way you can use the gold bar on the top is to hit the Clear All button to restart your search. You can also go back to the clip type and select a new filter there as well. Let's add a phrase that works on the B sound. I'll add bat and ball. Let's add a sentence that works on the B sound. Let's add, baby bear cubs are adorable. And let's also add a tongue twister for B. How about, brown bears bounce big bright balls? You can scroll down at any time to see what clips you have in your session. As you add clips, you can drag and drop them to arrange the order in which you'd like them to play. Once added to a session, a clip can be duplicated as many times as you'd like. This is a great help. I'm going to duplicate the sound B, since it's the main focus of this session. Below the listed clips you have added, you will see a gold tab labeled Full Library. Clicking this button will launch the full Gemiini library, allowing you to incorporate other student goals beyond verbal speech to your sessions. An example would be showing them a picture of what the word is that is in their session. Let's do that. Be sure to hit Clear All so you can see all the content. I put bat and beat in my video, so I'd like to add an image word for those. There are 4 different types of clips: AMS, CU, Gen, and Full. I'll add the full for bat. I'll also add the full for beat. I'll scroll down again to arrange the order of the clips in the session. My video is now complete. I need to title my video. You can title it anything you'd like. Once that is done, hit Save. You will then be taken back to the My Videos page, and your video will be at the top. From here, you can preview or assign your saved videos. You can also edit. You'll see that you have 2 options for editing. The first option, Edit Articulation, will take you back to the Intensive Verbal Expression Pro page, where you can add articulation pieces. If you select Edit, it will take you back to the full video library. The Intensive Verbal Expression Pro tool allows the assignments you create to be assigned and watched by your students anytime, anywhere, maximizing therapy hours beyond the face-to-face therapy time they are allotted. With a little practice, the Intensive Verbal Expression Pro will also be a huge time saver on finding the targeted language for all of your students' specific speech goals. So, get started and assign a custom speech session you designed to one of your students today. From all of us at Gemiini, thank you for watching.